What's up, everybody? Just thought I'd do my weekly update video. But anyway, haven't gotten a lot done this week. Just got our seats sort of mounted in there, so we've done that. So the bottom mounts are done. Can't do the rest of the seat mounting until we sort of get our roll cage sort of in there. The other thing done, it's about 3/4 done, is our sort of pedal box. So that's where we're at with that. Haven't done much else. We put these little bars in, but kind of come across a little sort of or not really, a little bit of a sort of, I guess we're deciding whether or not we should go with another radiator, because this block didn't have a water pump on it, and I just got that there's a little fan on there, but there's not really very much clearance between the radiator and the fan. And when you're somebody who's got hands like big like mine, I guess, like it's just starting like having tight areas to work on the car. So probably thinking about getting another radiator, because this fan that's actually on there is hard up against the water pump, but when you spin it, it hits the crankshaft pulley on the front there, so it needs to come out, and then there's not much room for the radiator, so we might just get another radiator and then move it from like here, like way out there. What else have we done? Not much else. The other thing that I'll probably be doing this week is sort of mounting the battery box. Making a battery box out the back to go over here, and then probably sorting out the fuel tank, mounting it at the back as well. Just making the brackets, and then when we get our roll, hopefully we can get some roll cage steel on Wednesday. We can do that. But here's the old battery box, and I'm just probably going to sort of use half of it anyway, and just make it for one of these smaller batteries. But you could probably almost get a third one in there. But that's the old one, and it used to go right at the front in that box that I cut out. But we're going to move it to the back. I don't know what they used to have in there. I think the old man used to like put a tractor battery in there. But yeah, so that's we'll probably save a lot of weight using one of those smaller batteries. I know some of the guys are sort of using the real tiny, like motorbike size batteries, but yeah, I just sort of not really sort of wanting to go that little. But anyway, that's it for the week. Hopefully we get some steel and we can make some more progress, and yeah, see you on the next video.